Google Reader is an easy way to follow websites and blogs from one easy location. First, log into your Google account and then go to google.com/reader or reader.google.com. The Google Reader interface is simple and easy to use. When you first log into Google Reader, you'll see a list of default content displayed. This content is just a placeholder, but it gives you a sense of how to use the interface. Google Reader is a big stream. Just scroll down to see new posts in the order that they came in. The first step to getting Google Reader set up is to set up subscriptions to different blogs and websites. We'll sign up for the Global Privacy blog, for example. On the front page, scroll down until you see the RSS icon, which looks like an orange square with radio waves on it. Right-click the icon and select Copy Shortcut or Copy Link. Now, we're going to go back to Google Reader and add the subscription. On the Google Reader interface, the Add a Subscription button is in the top left-hand corner. Click it and then paste the link that you just copied into the box and click Add. Global Privacy blog will now be part of your Google Reader. You can see the name of the blog under Subscriptions on the left, and once you click it, you'll see the content on the right in a format similar to the blog front page. Adding one blog to Google Reader isn't very useful. Its real power comes when you add multiple blogs. The Add a Subscription box is also a search box, so by searching for New York Times, for example, it'll pull up a list of all of the feeds associated with the New York Times. Click Subscribe under any of them to subscribe to that particular feed. We'll subscribe to the main feed, which has all the content from the New York Times. As you see when we click Subscribe, it moves the feed down to the bottom left under the Global Privacy blog. We'll also add Marlar Blog, a LexBlog client who writes about food safety. On his website, we're just going to right-click on the RSS feed again, select Copy Link Address, go back into Google Reader, and add the subscription. As you can see now, once we add it, we have 3 subscriptions in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. And now we can see all of these 3 subscriptions on the home page and the All Items page. The home page gives you a brief overview of all of your content, where the All Items page will give you every post that's been posted in the RSS feeds in a list from newest to oldest. You can scroll down, seeing the basics of each article, and if you want to read one, just click it to be taken to the blog. If you're subscribing to lots of blogs in Google Reader, it's beneficial to organize them into folders based on topic. To do this, hover your mouse over the blog or website you'd like to add to a folder and click the arrow button to the right. Then, select the New Folder button and type in the name that you'd like to assign the folder. We're going to make a News folder. To add another item to the folder, just click the arrow button next to that item and select the name of the folder you'd like to add. Let's add the New York Times. Just click the arrow button and then News. We'll make another folder called Blogs to add the blogs to. As you can see now, we have 2 folders, one called News and one called Blogs. If you click on the folder, you can see only the items inside that folder to make it easier to manage your content. If you only want to read blogs, then just go to the Blogs folder. If you only want to read news, go to the News folder. These streams also have sharing features. Click the Share button to put the item in a public shared folder that others can see. You can also email content to a friend by clicking the Email button. Then just type in their email address in the To box, and any special message you'd like to attach to the post in the Note to go along with the item box. It's that easy. Once you get a lot of blogs added to your Google Reader, the feed can get a little bit overwhelming, so here's a suggestion from us. The best way to manage reading lots of content is to just scroll down your list looking for post titles and subjects that interest you. When you find something that you think you want to read all the way through, just scroll to the bottom of the article and click the Star button. Once you do that, it'll move the item to a folder called your Starred Items. When you go here, you'll see only the items that you've starred. So as you read the feed and star items, then just come back here to view all the items you've starred and read them all the way through. That concludes this training. Thanks for watching.